Hi guys.
Let's go. Come on, guys.
I will bring this.
No, not that.
I will bring this upstairs. Let's go.
Hey, watch out for that.
I know.
Look at this.
Oh my God, it's a big dog. What's her name? What's her
Ketsu.
cat? Yeah. What's her name?
Ketsu.
Oh my God.
What are for the wet steps? Man, look at me, okay? We're gonna do step one. You take the kettle. Yes, the kettle.
Yes.
The kettle. And then we're gonna put water on it because we need it hot. The water needs to be hot
Yes.
to make milk because it will not melt the powder of the milk.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're gonna fill it with maybe here. We're gonna fill it over there.
How do you know it's gonna be there?
I look at here at the top.
Okay.
Yes. After that, we take the kettle, and then but first we need to clean the downside of this.
What do you mean?
It's gonna use electric, and then it will go explode if we don't put
You're gonna die.
We're gonna die. We put this here. No, not there. We put the kettle back in the
There.
there. Yes. Now we can look. Here's the magic. Gonna turn on. 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Wanna eat? Wanna eat?
Okay. Okay. We use big cup. Okay. We put that here, and then for my we will use
I'm
another
hungry.
cup. And then
Ice
let's
cubes.
get ice cubes because we need our milk cold.
Let me put out the ice cube in the pink bowl.
Alright.
Cold.
So there's no more milk. There's only one milk. So this is for you, my. I will just drink coffee then. And then I need your help to put this here.
All?
Yes. Yeah.
Open up.
Okay, I will help you.
Hi.
There.
Thanks.
There, you can put that there now. Oh.
Put. Remember me.
What are you singing?
Remember me in Coco.
In Coco?
Mama Coco.
Mama Coco. Sabi mo nag-makeup ka nung Alice in Wonderland. Ano pangalan niya?
Queen of Hearts.
Oh, why did you put makeup?
The ate said so.
Oh, because of school? Oh, what's Halloween party?
No, teacher said we need to costume.
For?
Nothing.
Oh.
Every kid in our school is costume.
Oh, that's fun. What were the costumes of your classmates? And then you take all of the
The other is
plastics.
Spider-Man.
And then you put that there in the
Roblox,
Oh.
and our leader, Christine, is Belle.
Mhm.
Our leader. We had a leader.
Mhm. Nice.
She helped me get out. She
Oh.
helped me change to my uniform.
Oh.
She helped me.
That's nice. And then you put
and she-
one spoon.
And she helped me to remove my makeup. And my teacher helped me to remove my
Only
makeup.
do one full spoon. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And then you mix that a little.
A little.
And then I need your help putting this here.
I drank coffee earlier.
Or You drank? That's bad.
Ate Kim said so. I need to drink coffee.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, a big bowl?
Yes, we love big bowls. That's a mug.
Oh my god, that's a big.
Yes. Then you take and then you put that in the trash again, because we are practicing.
Clean.
Yeah, we are practicing saving the environment by leaving it clean, right?
Yeah.
Because cleaning is essential. Repeat after me. Cleaning is
Period.
real. Okay. Next. Since I heard that this is no longer light, that means it's done, right? Yes. And then now we have to put this hot water here.
Kalahati
But
lang.
we only put a little bit
Half.
there. It's not even half. Yeah.
And
And then we
mine,
mix it.
mine is half hot and half cold.
Oh, nice. And then you mix that.
Mix.
And also, can you please mix mine?
Nice.
Please, thank you.
This a chocolate.
Chocolate. What about you?
Put some little water. Cold water.
Oh no, we have to mix it first more. Look, there's still buo-buo. We don't need that.
I want to watch. I want to.
There's supposed to be no buo-buo, most especially in yours. There's so many buo-buo. Okay, and then after that, can you hold this?
Okay.
There we go. I'm gonna cut.
Part 1.
No,
Part 2.
no. There's only one part. But I will cut it to make it one video. Put that.
Oh.
It's not cold. You're just OA.
I'm not die.
There, put more. Until it's full.
Cold. Cold.
More.
How about this?
More. Until it's full.
Where? It's almost full.
Mhm.
Ouch!
More.
More?
Yes.
That's one. Perfect!
Yes. And then my next.
Period.
Period. Paano? 1, 2, 3. Period.
Ang galing, Lord.
Wow, wow, wee, wow.
Babalik na ako
I
sa
have iced coffee,
I have milk.
iced milk.
Ice milk.
Yes.
Ta-da! We had ice milk.
Ice milk.
Ice milk.
Ice milk.
Ice milk.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put it here. Oh wait, can you please get this circle and the square? And I put it here. No, not there. Here. Yes. Place it down separately. Yeah. And then we put our drinks here.
Let's make bracelet now.
I don't know.
String. String.
I don't have string anymore.
Oh.
It's gone.
Guys, look. I will fix this, so this is a moment. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Ooh. I will fix it. Remember me. Remember me. Won't I need to say goodbye? Remember me. Ouchie. My God. Let me fix a chair here. Ah. Can you see me?
Put the white one here. And then you can take this. The black one. Kasi ako si Glenda. Ikaw si Alpha ba?
Alpha ba? Oh my God! Why is have a big fish? Big fish. We don't come in Cretan's birthday. Yeah.
You didn't come? That's why. That's so sad.
My
I'm
sister
sad.
said, "That's a stop." Period.
1, 2, 3. Period.
Send mo sa akin ito, ah.
Hmm?
Send mo sa akin.
Okay. Ay, hindi pala to straw.
Bibili kayo, pingi mo na string. Sabi,
Oh, ayun yung condition, guys. Kung gusto niyo bumili, bigyan niyo siya ng string. Pero libre na. So, hindi siya bibili. Parang ano lang kayo.
pag binigyan nyo ako string, may libre na kayong gamit.
Yes! Business!
Pag hindi nyo ako binigyan, ako na lang bibili ng string ko tapos magbabayad kayo 100.
Tama! 100?
Joke lang.
Okay.
Magbabayad din kayo 10.
Ano, 10 pesos. Eh, kasi ayun nakalagay dito ko. Ay, balik na. Basta, ano yan, pesos, 10.
Like this, like that. 10, look. 10. This is pesos. See, pesos. Right?
Eto, pesos. Babasa niyo.
10 pesos.
Pesos.
Do you see?
Doon mo pakita. Ay, oh. Ay.
Baka perfect siya sa test. Eh di may milk siya.
Yeah. Ay, naka-perfect ka.
Hindi.
Oh.
Wala pa nga eh. Hindi pa nga binibigay eh.
Ah.
Pero sa test ko man ako 20/25.
Congrats, pasado ka. Naka-challenge kami, guys. No gadget for 1 hour.
Pag 12 na
So, late kasi tayo nag-start eh. So, tayo, magsisimula. Ay, matatapos. Oras pa tayo matatapos? 1:30 tayo matatapos. Ay, 12:30, sorry. Yes.
Do you know who's this? Is Amara.
Oh, that's you!
Nandun ako gantong damit. Nandun ako gantong dress. Binilihan ako ni Mami. At headband. Si Ate nagbili.
Yes. Headband.
Si Mami nagbili sa akin ng dress ganto eh.
Kumusta school mo? May friend ka doon?
Meron, best friend. Princess Natalie. Kahapon matching socks kami. Pero wala siya costume. Hindi nila narabasa sa gift.
Ay, hala. Ayun yung problem lagi. Ganda na ako. Hindi ako nagbabasa ng G's. Hindi siya lang naka-uniform.
Yung grade 1 ako nakapasa ko. Edi grade 2 na ako.
Wow!
Sana makapasa ko. Pala grade 3 na ako.
Gusto mo lumaki agad? Bakit?
Kasi, kaya gusto ko lumaki agad para makapunta na ako sa sarili ko, sa bahay ng best friend ko. Kasi sa isang best friend ko,
Si Natalie? Or yung sa may Saitec?
Saitec. Hindi ko naman alam bahay nila Natalie.
Gusto mo pumunta sa ikaw mag-isa? Punta ka sa may Saitec. Kaya gusto mo lumaki agad?
Dati pinapunta ko ni pumunta ako mag-isa sa Cytec. Si ate, nagbayad sa tricycle. Tapos sabi, Kuya, pahatid po sa Cytec, sa bakery lang po.
Oh.
Nagbayad na siya.
Magkano?
Hindi ko alam. Kasi nagbayad na siya bago umalis.
Ganun na pala kabilis eh. Alam na ng mga tricycle driver kung saan. Kapag baba nyo ng tricycle, maglalakad pa kayo? Or nasa harapan na kayo?
Unti lang.
Unti lang. Wow. Eh di malapit lang pala dun yung bahay nila. Ano pangalan ng friend mo? Sa Cytec?
Teyeng, Ate Aisel, Ace. Tapos Kathleen.
Oh. Aywe. Ano mga naging ginawa mo sa Cytec kasama sila?
Nagpe-play kami. Minsan si Ace, hindi namin bate. Inaaway ako. Minsan nga sinasakal ako. Minsan inutlog ako sa bateri.
Bakit?
So nauna. Cringe niya.
Tandaan mo yun. Tayeng Tama pa, tayeng.
Teyeng, hindi tayeng.
Tayeng. Tayeng, tandaan mo yun. At saka ikaw, Natalie, magbasa ka na ng GC. Para nakakasama ka sa costume.
Susunod, sa Christmas party, mag-gusto ka na magbasa ka sa GC.
Ate Chusha si friend niya. May kaaway ka sa school.
Yes.
Si Natalie din?
Hindi. Si Julius. Sa kapitbahay lang namin siya. Tapos, classmate ko siya. Pag sumasabay ako sa kanyang umuwi, pinagtitripan ako.
Parang pinagtitripan?
Nangangaway. Kasi si Julius, meron pa siyang isang kasabay umuwi, lalaki. Tinutulak nila ako. Sinusubong ko kay ate.
Bad siya.
I mean, dati ko siyang best friend. Dati nga naglaro kami sa Circle Circle C. Tapos yung gumagawa kami alkansya, nakalimutan ko magdala ng pang design. Binigyan niya ako sticker.
Sige, tayo? Period, tapos inom. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Period. Machi-machi tayo, pink tas blue. Ay, pink tas yung suot mo, tas blue. And...
Nails.
Ay, yes. Thank you. Pag-waste nails ka.
Dapat mahaba.
Next time, magmamahaba
Wait,
ako.
ganito ka nga.
Tignan mo.
Mukhang bali.
Oo nga, bali nga. Pares tayo ba? Kaya patingin tayo ng mga ganyan. Bakit ganyan?
Ewan, nagmana.
Ipakita mo, kailangan pantay tayo. Ipagdikit mo yung
Diba? Ganito din kamay ni Ate Kim.
Bakit kanya? Binali mo.
Pati kay Ate Rose, pati kay Papa. Hindi. Yung daliri namin galing sa Papa namin.
Kaya pala. Ganyan din sa kabila. Oh my God, bakit ganyan? Sige, ito yung una kong nail.
Heart.
Wait lang.
Heart na yung ko, kamay.
Ang galing. Super easy na heart lang kay Meme.
Heart.
Ayan.
Baliktad na
Una
heart.
kong nail is, ayan.
Baliktad na heart.
Meron siyang rose na pattern. Tapos, dalawang parang, mga jewels. Next is, ito. Parang siyang yin parang dalawang isda. Tapos merong silang,
whale yan.
gem sila. Whale daw. Siya nagsabi, silver na whale. Tapos meron siyang, sa gitna, gem. Next is, ito parang galaxy na kulay red. siya makita.
Wait lang. Nagpa-finger.
Ayan. Ala, di siya makita. Ayan, oh. Basta may ano siya sa loob. Mga stars. Tapos may mga, may mga moon. Yeah. From maliit to malaki. Next is... Woo! Ipis! Tapos meron siyang maliit na gem dito. Next is si Papa Jesus.
Cruz.
Yes.
Cruz din to,
Ano siya, cruz. Sa kabila yung cruz. Sa ayan. Tapos yung sa loob parang siya, nagwa-white siya.
Where's the cross?
Mamaya, wait na. Tignan mo yung cruz niya. Tapos yung sa loob niya merong white sa loob. Pero black talaga siya. Tapos next is, dito lang sa maliit. Parang siyang kalmat ng pusa. Na kulay red. Parang rin siya. Red na rose pattern. Next is... Next is... Para siyang katulad nitong isa. Ayan. Medyo similar sila. Pero ito kulay black. Siya, zebra pattern. Tapos parang siya. Para silang may chain na magkadikit. Next is... Next is... Next is... Ito. Ayan. Itong cruise. Oh, tas may ilaw siya ng red sa loob. Ang galing mo, Karen. Kung sino mang gumawa na ito. Kilala mo sarili mo. Thank you, Karen, sa sobrang ganda mong nail art. Yeah, cruise. Tas may sa loob. Next is ito. Ito pinaka-paborito ko. Meron siyang gem sa loob. Tas pero...
may ilaw siya.
Oo, may ilaw. At saka meron siyang mga mga maliliit na ganun. Sobrang intricate ng design. Oh, intricate. Ay, okay. Sa parang siyang sun na silver. Tama, parang siyang silver na sun.
Hindi kaya. Mukhang mata.
Oh, alas ito para naman siya. Last na, ito para siyang water. Hindi ko makita. Para siyang water. Ayun. Pero matigas siya. Hawakan mo. Matigas siya. Pero siya, mukha siyang water. Diba? Ay, ba't isa lang yung pin mo? Siguro sa next vlog natin, dalawa na yan. Hala, bakit dilaw? Ew! Bakit dilaw yung pin mo?
Pagka saan ikaw?
Oh, dahil saan? Okay, sabi mo eh.
I got a milk.
I got a coffee. Kaso ubos na.
Milk. Did you just eat the ice?
Oh no!
Ah.
Hala, you're dead now.
Okay.
Ganito siya ka-dead. Pangit. Ew! Hindi ko yung papakita sa vlog. That's so scary. Matatakot yung mga bata natin manonood. Okay.
O yung mga bata, tignan nyo to. Hello! May aswang dyan! Sa ilalim ng higaan nyo. Mamayang gabi. Hello!
Anyways, next na vlog namin ay gagawa tayo ng bracelet. Pero wala tayong strings, so baka mga next week pa tayo mag-vlog ng gano'n. So, see you guys next week.
Bibili na kayo.
Bibilin na kami online, pero hintayin pa namin mag-deliver kaya. See you guys next week. Bye!
Sa baba lang nakakabili.
Sa baba ba? Saan dun sa baba?
Kalat ni Mabel.
Oh. Sige, next week pa rin kasi dapat per day iisa lang video natin. Si Papa.
Wala na siya. I feel bad for you.
Hindi, nandito si Papa sa gitna natin.
Hi, Kuya Dani.
Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. And
may aswang sa likod yung mga bata.
don't forget to
subscribe.
and
like.
like
And follow.
Follow and comment for more if you want more videos like this. And then after subscribing, hit the notification down below. And we will see you next time. Bye! Bye.
Bye!
Wait. Yung ano natin, yung pang-close natin yung period. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Period.